Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty YouTube channel, and it is time for the October Show Us Your SheetLoad video. I hope you'll stick around and see the cards that I got sent. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of this video that you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here. As I mentioned in the intro, today I'll be sharing with you the cards that I got mailed for this month's Show Us Your SheetLoad. I did change the guidelines up this month of how you can submit your cards. If you want to watch that video so you know for future months, I will link it in the description box below. And before I start showing you the cards that got mailed, don't forget there are two other ways that subscribers could have entered. In the description box below, I have a link to the Show Us Your SheetLoad playlist, and this is going to be full of subscriber videos here on YouTube. Also, I have some people who have played along on Instagram this month, so I have a link below that should take you directly to the search for the hashtag SUYS October 2019. I am currently working on November's sheetload of cards, so I'll be back on the 1st to show you the new sketch, my first set of cards, and to let you know how you can download that if you're a subscriber to my channel. But let's go ahead and get into why you came. So in front of me here you see some envelopes and you see some non-enveloped cards. My mom came to visit me earlier in the month and she actually hand delivered some cards using this month's sketch. So I'll be sharing those with you first since you can already see them, and then we'll get into all the envelopes. The two cards on the left were made by my sister Lisa. She is Crafty Days here on YouTube. She did one in the standard orientation with these adorable flowers. And then she also turned it landscape for a little different look. I really like that. And then on the inside she put a flower so that you can do an easel card with it. I thought that was ingenious. And on the right are the cards that my mom has made. She has a fun, bright, happy birthday card and a thinking of you card. Let's go ahead and see what I was sent in my P.O. box this month. This card is made by Creative Mom here on YouTube, and it is using the October sheetload of cards. She has used some super adorable papers. I love the colors on this, and look, there's even some metallic. This next card is from Pam. It says here this is the October sheetload of cards as well, and on YouTube she is Pamela Terrault. Did you see how when she mailed it, she held it flat like that? That might help when you're mailing these. An absolutely adorable Christmas card. I love that fun Santa. Thank you, Pam. Next we have a card from Jacqueline or Jacqueline. I never know how that one is pronounced. You'll have to let me know below. I love how she sent it in that fun clear envelope. And did you notice those stamps? They're Halloween and they're like holographic. That is so fun. Ooh, stamps that match the card inside. It's Halloween. Celebrate if you dare. Thank you for the nice note, Jacqueline. She is Jacqueline Cioli. Hopefully I did not butcher your full name too badly here on YouTube. And did you notice, I really like this. On the inside, she has added some of the scrap paper to the bottom of the area to write the personal note. I really like that. And then she's also put a border around that piece. Love it. Next up, we have an envelope from Christina. Oh wow, Christina's envelope is full. It looks like she has used different sheetload of cards for the cards that she mailed in this month. Here we have a fun happy birthday card, and this uses the July sheetload of cards. So you'll see that even though there's a new sheetload out, you can still always use those older ones. a fun summer one, and she is Christina Mathy here on YouTube. This one uses the October, the newest sheet load of cards. Ooh, I like that. I like the beachy feel, kind of like a boardwalk here in the background. Very neat. Another happy birthday one. This one is using the June sheet load of cards. Kind of looks retro with some of those shapes in there. Love the sparkle on that. And then last but not least, wow, 4 cards. Thank you so much. This is a Just Because card using the August sheet load of cards. This layout is probably one of my favorite sheet loads. Oh my goodness! This is from Cool Cakes and Crafts with Amalia. That is her YouTube channel here. And she has sent me some bonus goodies. This is a fun shaped little ATC that she has created. I like how she even has a name for it and how many there are in that series. Thank you, Amalia. Some pretty ribbon and some sequins. She probably knows that I love shaker cards. And even a bottle of stickles. I just used some the other day. Some of my bottles are really getting ran out, so thank you so much. That was kind. You definitely didn't need to, but it is appreciated. Thank you. There were even more goodies under there. Little fun black and white flowers. Thank you. Thank you for the nice note. We have 2 different cards in here using the October sheet load of cards. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but she has added some puffy snow here on the images. It is so neat. Gorgeous. I love your coloring on that. And I like how not only did you decorate the inside, or you kind of pre-stamped it, but you also decorated the envelopes. So cute. And the second one is a cute little Santa image skating on that same ice rink with the fluffy snow. Those are so fun. Thank you for the cards and the extra goodies. Thank you so much to everyone who played along, whether it was on Instagram, YouTube, or by sending me a card. I had so much fun this month watching your videos, seeing the cards you made, and going to my P.O. box and being surprised with some happy mail. If you enjoyed getting to see these cards, I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up. And until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.